Hey guys, this is that Alibaba lightsaber that everybody's talking about. It's the RGB. It's got 3 different sound fonts. It's got like 11. It's advertised as 11 different colors. So I had someone put in the comments of my review of this, and they wanted to know how to turn the volume up and down. So the volume when you pick the sound fonts, you can choose a mute mode. So if you're in one of the sound fonts, it's going to make a sound through the speaker at the bottom. So when I turn it on, okay, it's at that volume level. And I've heard people say, like, when they first got it, wow, this thing is really loud, you know, and they thought it was broken, or they were going to stuff some wadding in here to cover the speaker to make it less loud. Well, this is the lowest level right here. So this is the level that I got it when it shipped. So what you do in order to adjust the level, if you want it to be, there's 3 volume settings basically. If you want it louder, press the button and hold for 4 beats basically, because what happens is there's a haptic response and it'll vibrate. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, let go. Did you hear that raise in volume? So this is medium. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's the loud one. So if it's shipped like this, I could see where people would say, well, this is crazy, you know, like people in the house are going to get mad when I'm like, they're going to think I have a, you know, it's going to be like me having a drum kit or something. It's going to be really loud. But if you're like doing a demonstration or something and you're like dueling, you might want this to be this loud. And then if you want to go back to the first level, you just press and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and now you're back to like a reasonable indoor level. Okay. Now, in order to turn the Saber off, 2, 3, 4, 5, you just hold it like that. And now, let's say you don't want any volume at all. While the Saber is off, like it's not lit, it's still in like a kind of a standby mode, I guess you would say. It always is, but it's not consuming any power right now. If you press and hold for 3 beats basically, now you're in mute mode. Okay, now the Saber is not going to make any noise at all. So while the Saber's off, press and hold 3 times. Now, if I do that again, now all the other functions are here. So in order to get back out of the lit mode and get to the standby mode, you have to press and hold until the Saber goes off, or until you feel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pulses, right? Okay, so in order to turn the sound back on and get into a font mode, you have to press and hold. And now you heard the sound. That means you're back into sound mode. So now when you turn the Saber on, there you are. Okay? Does that make sense? I hope that was clear enough. Please, if this helped you, put a comment below and tell me that it helped you. Like for the algorithm, because that helps me. And if it wasn't clear enough, tell me that, and I'll make another video. And I hope that explained what needed to be explained. So may the force be with you. Thanks for hanging out there with me, and take care now. Bye-bye.